In this video, I will show you 3 of the best websites where you can watch movies for free and legally. First, we have Plex. Just visit plex.tv, browse through the available movies and shows, or use the search bar to find something specific. Select a movie and press play. Next is Pluto TV. Visit pluto.tv and head over to the Movies section. You can browse different categories, search for a movie, and start watching for free. Just make sure to check if Pluto TV is available in your region. And finally, we have Tubi. Tubi has a huge library of movies and TV shows, including action, comedy, horror, and anime. Just search for tubitv.com, find a movie you like, and press play. Keep in mind that availability can also vary depending on your region. So, those are 3 great websites for watching movies for free and legally. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.